A lot of times when I think about the next frontier, when you have an autonomous trucking platform, you need to actually do that anywhere. So I don't know when it's going to happen, but you're going to need to transport goods on the moon. Who better to do that than someone that transports goods autonomously on Earth? My name is Derek Phillips. I'm a staff software engineer, but I lead the perception engineering team. We're really responsible for taking the inputs that we get from various sensors, taking all that information and fusing that together into a meaningful representation. Because what we're trying to do here is build a really ridiculously safe product. And in order to do that, you want to use all the information available to you. My favorite piece of tech in the Kodiak stack is not a single piece of tech, it's our process of taking all the data we've collected over millions and millions of miles, go see how would our software do in those really interesting environments, is to find those interesting cases so that we can then go show that our system handles those cases well.
So this is a case where there's an arm camera. This is basically, we're being really cautious for them, and then we get this really bad dust that gets kicked up, and then we actually stop. We wait for the dust to settle. You can see though, we're actually tracking these pedestrians that whole time. Even though it was slightly degraded, we're still pretty good. And then we'll actually start moving again.
I really value our mission here of trying to really make the roads safer in a meaningful way. And that's what keeps me coming back. For someone who's potentially thinking about joining my team or Kodiak in general, the things that you'd be most excited about working on are being part of this really historic movement, but solving the problems in a really fundamentally interesting way and the right way, so that we have a really solid solution forever and ever.